Hello YouTube friends, I am very excited. It's time for a Coach unboxing of something that I really cannot wait to see in person. I've never seen it in person. I've only seen a few photos of it and I am so excited to open it. So let's get this open. It just arrived. It's one of those things where UPS said it will be delivered around noon and you wait and you wait and then they finally deliver it. I wanted to get this filmed before the sun went down since I'm in the other room again today. I'm on vacation. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's get that box out of there. Oh, can you see the print? Can you see it? What do you think it is? Let's see here. I wanted to get one of these. I know some girls on the, or some ladies on the forum I'm on have been liking this, and they're apparently selling out fast in the stores. Oh my god, it is so cute. Okay, so this is the Coach Venture 27 and it's in the men's section and it's kind of like their big keep all, only in a small version. So I am very excited to see how this looks. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Let me get it unwrapped and then I'll come back. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh, it's just adorable. It looks like in the pictures online that it's black, but it's not. It's midnight. It's a midnight multi. And it's got, I can't remember what this hardware is. Gunmetal maybe? It's not the black nickel that gets chunked up. I think this was gunmetal. So cute. This is very warm. It is 101 out today here in California, and so I was kind of waiting to get this because I want to bring it in right away. So the back doesn't have an outside pocket, no feet on the bottom. The front does not have an outside pocket, but you've got these really cute bands here, and it reminds me a lot of the Louis Vuitton mini keep all that came out, the extra small one. It reminds me a lot of that, only bigger. So cute. And then you've got the sides where the zipper comes down on both sides, and then this side has another little handle with some webbing. That's kind of interesting. And then the strap is made of black webbing with some navy accents. And I thought that the ends of the strap were kind of different. It doesn't have the leather bits like they normally do. It's kind of got a square. So it does look kind of masculine there. And then here's the close-up of the car print. It is so cute. You've got kind of saddle colors, turquoise, blue. This looks like a little Volkswagen Beetle. I just love it. And then you've got the rolled handles like the Speedy, and then you've got two zipper pulls, which I love, and each of them has a leather tab, and it's very simple inside. Oh, here's the magnet. It's very simple inside. You've got a slip pocket over here with the Creed. In the interior's black fabric, and another big slip pocket, and that's it. That's all that is in there. So let me show you information on the item number if you're looking for this. Here's the item number, C9902, Venture 27 leather car in the gunmetal and midnight. Really cute. And here's the price tag. So it's normally supposed to be $350, and I got it on sale online. I think it was last week or the week before. Either way, it was on sale for $140, so that was very reasonable. And a little care booklet. So I'll just put these in here. Now I don't know if it's because this little baby is hot, but listen to the It's got some squeaky handles on it. But it is so cute. It's just your standard little doctor bag, not a barrel bag because the bottom is flat. But I really like this, and the strap looks really comfortable too. Now I did bring another strap to try in case I wanted to have just a leather strap. But this is really well made. The leather is so nice and soft, pebbled leather. Show you close up again, and there's the Coach logo. And that's the only Coach logo other than the hang tag that you have anywhere on this, which I really like. Oh, and then it says Coach right here on some of the little cars. It says Coach. So size-wise, what I want to compare is this to the Ruby and also to the Coach Rowan. So I took some notes here. So the Venture 27 is 10.5 inches long, or 27 centimeters, 6.5 inches high, and 5.25 wide. Now if you compare that to the very similar looking bag, which is the new Ruby, it also is a similar style and shape, and it has the banding for the handles, rolled handles, but it's shorter, much shorter. It's 9 3/4 long, whereas this is 10.5. And it's taller. It's 7 inches high, where this is 6.5. And it's also wider, 5 3/4 wide, where this is 5 1/4. So that was one of the reasons why I was interested in this. The Ruby sounded wonderful. I love the looks of it, but I didn't like the reports of how heavy it was because it is lined in suede. It's a much more luxurious bag than this. But it's heavy. A lot of the hardware on the darker hardware is chipping already, and it was just a little bit small for my needs. So I thought I would not get that and just wait around and see what came up. So I am so glad this came up in the men's section. I think it is just adorable. It does not look like a men's or a woman's bag. It looks like it's just the perfect little bag for anybody. So size-wise, I was thinking it must be a lot like my Rowan. And it is. So the Rowan here is 10.5 inches long, just like this one. See, they're the same length. And it is 6 1/4 high, and this is 6.5. So this is 1/4 inch taller. Maybe if we look on the side here. It's a little bit taller, as you can see. And the Rowan is 5.5 inches wide, and this is 5 1/4. So this is narrower, the Venture. And the Rowan has feet, and this does not have feet. But other than that, they are really very similar size. So if you know that you like the size of the Rowan, you would really find it very easy to work with this Venture 27. So weight-wise, they feel almost exactly the same. And I think my Rowan is very lightweight, and that's why I bought two. So let me see if my other little strap will work or if the color is way off. I just have my Georgie here, and it's in a bright blue shade that might be too, I think the shade is off. It's too off. Well, kind of goes with that car. I think it's too off to use the strap from this. I was gonna say I could use the shoulder strap as it has the silver hardware too, but I think that would look funny. I think it needs to be more of a turquoise blue to match. Or even I could grab something from a saddle bag if I didn't want to use the strap that comes with it. But the strap that comes with it should be fine. So I really look forward to using this. There is no, because it's an outlet piece and made for the outlet, there is no dust bag that came with it or anything. So don't be expecting that. But I swear, for 140 bucks for this adorable print, that is really cute. Very, very cute. So I'm just gonna condition it, stuff it, let it sit around a little bit before I use it, but I think it is adorable. Really a charming print and a very easy to carry bag style. And I like this little handle on the side. It seems like if it's sitting like next to you on the car seat and you need to just grab it, you can grab it by this too. Like a little mini duffel. Very cute. So I hope you like this bag as much as I did from the Coach outlet. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm so happy I recently reached 1,000 subscribers. So thank you very much for your support. Have a great day. Bye-bye.